皆さん、こんにちは。タカです。Last time we studied Hiragana, さしすせそ、and たちつてと。So, this time we are going to study なにぬねの and はひふへほ。So, totally 10 characters. Let's get started. 勉強しましょう。
The first character is na, like na, in nacho. The second character is ni, like ni. The third character is nu, like nude. The fourth character is net, like net in net. The fifth character is no, like no in note. Now let's review the 5 letters again. Please repeat. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Back to the front. Please repeat. No, ne, nu, ni, na. Next, let's read the vocabulary. Nana, niku, inu, neko, kono. Next, I'll show you some random letters, so please read them. No, ni, ne, nu, na. Here we go again, in a different order. Ne, na, no, ni, nu. We will learn the following 5 characters. The first character is ha, like ha in hat. The second character is he, like he, in he. The third character is fu, like fu, in food. The fourth character is hen, like hen, in hen. The fifth character is ho, like ho, in hotel. Now let's review the 5 letters again. Please repeat. Ha, hi, fu, he, ho. Back to the front. please repeat. ほ、へ、ふ、ひ、は. Next, let's read the vocabulary. 箱、人、船、へそ、星。Next, I'll show you some random letters, so please read them. ひ、ほ、へ、は、ふ. Here we go again, in a different order. へ、ひ、ほ、ふ、は. Finally, I mixed the 10 letters to create random flashcards. Read them aloud as quickly as possible and answer. の、ほ、に、は、な、ふ、ね、ひ、ぬ、へ. Good luck. Here we go again, in a different order. に、へ、の、ふ、な、は、ね、ほ、ぬ、ひ.
This time, we studied hiragana, なにぬねの and はひふへほ. So, totally 30 hiragana characters that we have studied. ありがとうございました。Thank you so much. Bye bye.